Okay, y'all. Buenos dias. I wanted to show y'all the stuff I bought in my check bags. So I checked 2 bags. I came in first class this visit to Merida, and I wanted to show y'all the stuff I bought. So I bought this stuff from the States to bring here. So this is a sheepskin rug that's gonna go over there. I bought these big vacuum bags from Shein for like $3 a piece. These are picture frames that are gonna go over here more than likely. That's a sofa cushion. Hopefully the stuff I picked out goes well with this set. This is gonna be my pop color for my sofa. So we'll see. I have some sheets in there as well. Also, I brought kitchen stuff. That's a knife set there. And it's cutting board. And I bought this squeegee. And I know I could buy this stuff here, but I don't have a car, and it was easier and cheaper for me to buy it in the States where I knew to get it for a cheap price. I bought these on Amazon to cover the drains. Although my place doesn't have the smelly drains right now, like some of the Airbnbs we've stayed in, but I have those even still. These are clothes that I brought. If you're gonna bring a lot of stuff, I would suggest getting the vacuum bags. It really, really helped me to get more stuff. This came to me, vacuum bag, and this is my comforter. I bought that from Wayfair. I'm gonna open that, put it on my bed. This is just a placemat that I thought would go well on the counter, but I only bought one because I wasn't sure. I bought frying pan. This is my air mattress because my bed didn't have a mattress, but my gracious neighbor and friend bought me a mattress over last night to let me borrow until I can buy a real mattress for my bed. I'll put that back here. And let's see. Here is another sofa cushion that's gonna go on this sofa. Like I said, I hope it matches pretty well. Here's my butcher block. I bought this stuff on Black Friday. Anything that's new I bought on Black Friday and in the States. So I didn't pay much for it. I paid maybe $40 for that comforter set. These sofa cushions were from Ross. They were like $10, $11 maybe. And it was like for 2 of those. Those are 2 pillows like that. I'll put that butcher block over there and my knife set. I bought a bunch of utensils because I hear the utensils here are made kind of flimsy. And I could get them back home for much cheaper. So I bought those on Black Friday as well. Excuse me. A lovely friend bought me a steam mop. This is a sisal rug that I'll put at the front door for people to wipe their feet on. The trash cans I bought from Dollar Tree. I didn't really need any fancy trash cans. And here, little plastic trash cans cost way more than they should. Thankfully, when I came through customs, they did not want to open my bag because they would have got quite a surprise with all this stuff in it. Super heavy. Let's see. I brought this thinking, because I don't have any hooks in my bathroom to hang towels on and over the door hook. Well, my doors, I wasn't thinking how tall they are so tall. There's no way I will fit an over the door hook up there because I don't have a ladder. So I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing with that. These are some plates that I brought, and a Rubbermaid. Then again, plastic is not cheap here. So if you get anything made of plastic, you're gonna pay more for it here. Some products that I like to use because they don't have everything I like here. So I brought aloe from home and oil for my hair and stuff like that. Sunscreen, I would say, is about the same, but I have a specific sunscreen at Hawaiian Tropic that I really, really like. So, yeah, I bought some creams that I use at home. So I'll have everything here to be at home. Anywho, I'll come on again once I get everything out and show you guys what it looks like. I'll show you what the sofa looks like in the rug when everything is out. I also bought this collagen because the collagen here that I've been buying is about half the size and the same price. So I bought this from the States as well. Anywho, I'll talk to y'all later. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Nos vemos.